This is advanced Wi-Fi based timer by Chanakya Automation. Available in 2 size. 1. Regular size. 2. Micro size. No special training required. Easy to install. Easy to configure. User can create multiple schedule by using mobile. Maximum 50 schedule is possible. Micro size timer, very small in size. Very attractive in look. Timer can be used in 2 mode. 1. Timer. 2. Alarm. In timer mode, schedule can be made of minute and hours, while in alarm mode, timer work in second and hours. One can configure timer to work on any weekdays and can be turned off on any holiday.